Hello, sir. Good morning. Today, I'm going to talk about a data visualization project. This project involves analyzing and presenting information about agricultural crops. I am using a powerful data visualization tool to help us understand these insights more clearly. So, as you can see, I am using a Power BI dashboard. It provided represent an in-depth analysis of agricultural harvest, providing a clear overview of crop productivity, regional contribution, and yearly trends. So the primary purpose of my works appears to be to explore patterns and trends in agricultural data to identify key drivers of productivity and areas for improvement. So this type of analysis is crucial for stakeholders such as farmers and agricultural organizations, as it is providing actionable insight into optimizing agricultural output and addressing disparity. So the dashboard is structured to deliver a comprehensive understanding of harvest data by focusing on two major. So we have crop, regions, and type. So the visualizations are categorized in various segments, including total harvest by crop, total harvest by year, um, total harvest and max harvest by region title, total harvest and harvest by year, percentage contribution by year, percentage contribution by regions, total harvest by year, total harvest by region. That's all. So this structured approach provides clarity in understanding the dynamics of agricultural production and the relationship between these dimensions. Now, I am focusing on visual representation, which are much more intuitive and easy to understand. First, visualization is the first one, bar chart, total harvest by crops name. So this one, this highlights the contribution of harvest quantities across different crops. So we can see that coconut, the most dominates the data, the coconut dominates the data with an exceptional 47 million units. So far surpassing other crops like banana, sugarcane, sugarcane for centrifugal sugar, and cassava. This indicates that coconut is likely the primary focus of agricultural effort, possibly due to its high demand in both local and international markets. On the other hand, crops such as oil palm, mango, and cassava for raw materials show significantly lower production, which could be due to the limited cultivation areas, lower demand, or resource constraints. You can see through this dashboard, um, we can clearly tweak and give us a quick overview of which crops are the most abundant. So we can see that coconut is the most abundant in all crops, followed by banana, sugarcane, and so on. So, this analysis could guide us decisions about crop diversification or increased investment in underperforming crops. For instance, promoting crops with untapped potential like pineapple or rubber could enhance overall agricultural productivity and sustainability. Next one is the donut chart, the percentage contribution by year. So this chart representing the percentage of the year to the total harvest. This helps understand how much each year has contributed to the overall agricultural output. It is interesting to see that the recent years has been more dominant than earlier years. As you can see in our donut chart, we can identify that the year 2021 has the highest percentage contribution, which is 7.89%, followed by um, year 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 2019 and year 2020 and 2019. And the next one is, we have um another donut chart. So this chart is analyzing the total harvest by region. So the bar chart highlights that some regions have consistently high yields compared to others. This information can help us understand regional factors influencing the crop productions. So as you can see, this is our percentage contribution by regions chart. You can see we can identify clearly that regions 90013, which is the Davao, has a highest percentage contribution, which is rate of 9.59%. So by this visualization, we can identify um, what year um, has a highest percentage contribution and what regions has a highest percentage contribution. Next one, we have the total harvest by year for this one. So these visualizations provide a temporal perspective on agricultural output. From 2010 to 2022, the harvest trend demonstrates relative stability in more recent years, averaging around 7.5 million units annually. Earlier years, 2010 to 2014, reflect slightly lower outputs, which could be attributed to less advanced farming techniques, limited infrastructures, or external challenges such as weather conditions or policy barriers. So, as you can see, that we have 2018 has the highest units, which is it averaging for 7.5 million units. And we have the lowest, which is the 20, 2010. And this trend suggests significant progress in agricultural practices and resource management over the years. The stable output in recent years also demonstrates resilience against potential disruptions like climate change or economic downturns. However, slight fluctuations in the yearly harvest hint at underlying factors that may need to address, such as pest outbreak, droughts, or shifts in market demand. No, we can um even we want to have the highest um, rate, um, average, but we can stop like some calamity problems like climate change. So we have climate change like El Nino. We get the average of the um target output nato is kanang dili nato makontrol na producers siya because of some um calamity problems or financial or um uh yes yes economic downturns. And next one is we have the total harvest by region. So the bar chart reveals a significant regional disparities in agricultural productivity. Regions, Davao region, region 11 we have Davao region, and region 10 we have Northern Mindanao stand out as a top contributor with harvest exceeding 9 million units. These regions likely benefit from favorable climatic conditions, um, fertile soil, and established farming infrastructure. So on the other hand, regions like Cordillera Administrative Region and Region 2, Cagayan Valley display much lower harvest outputs, possibly due to the geographical constraints, limited access to modern farming technologies, or lower investment levels. So as you can see here, this is the total harvest by region. You can see that Davao has the has a number one total harvest, which is 9.3 million. You can see that the Davao region has the highest total harvest by region, and followed by Northern Mindanao, Western Visayas, Calabarzon, Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, Region 5 Bicol Region, Zamboanga Peninsula, Eastern Visayas, Region 7, Region, Region 12, Region 7 Central Visayas, Mimaropa Region, Region 13 Caraga, Central Luzon, Cagayan Valley, Ilocos Region, and lastly with the lowest rate harvest is the CER or Cordillera Administrative Region. So this data highlights that need for targeted intervention in underperforming region, investment in infrastructures, training programs, and access to agricultural resources. In these areas, uh, it helped us to balance regional disparities and improve national agricultural productivity. As you can see, I created another um, chart or dashboard, visualization here to much more understand what um what year has a total of the total harvest by year. So we have the 2018, which is the number one average in all. So we have 7.65 million, followed by 2017, followed by 2021, 2020, 2020, 19,